Hi guys, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Okay. So guys, what we had discussed last class.
How to retrieve image data from MySQL.
Okay, how we can retrieve the data image from to the database, right? Yeah. So you are completed, right? I think visible my screen, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So last class we had completed how we can retrieve that multiple image from the database, and that code we has completed, and that already I updated to that single image, how we can retrieve that single image from the database. So that code also I updated in our website, guys. So you people gone through that, guys?
No, sir.
Yeah, it should be completed, guys. So I will show you
Okay,
that
sir.
how we can implement it, and that code also I will execute, guys, and after that we can go to that next concept, that is transaction management, right? So guys, we are going to completion of that retrieve as a multiple images from the database. This is that code for that, so we already completed this part. And what guys, now we can see to that how we can retrieve as a single image from that database. That code we can see, guys. So we can go through that as a retrieve images from to that code. So this is the code, guys. So where is the what is the my location for this? So this is that code, and my location is that cs, guys. So c/user slash hp slash desktop slash cs is that my folder. In that folder I'm going to retrieve into that multiple images, how many images available in my database. So that images I need to retrieve, guys. So go to that database, and we can check to that what, see here how many images is there, guys. 5 images is there. So I need to retrieve to that 5 images from the database, and I need to store that images into that cs folder, guys. First of all, we can go and check into that cs folder, there is a images or not, we can check, guys. Already there is a images is there, guys. I'm going to delete this images, right? I'm going to delete these images. Yeah, this is that desktop, guys. There is no there is no one more folder is there, that is cs folder is there, guys. In that cs folder any images is there? There is no images, right? So what should I to do here, guys? I'm going to running this application, and I need to retrieve that what are the images available into the database. That image I need to store into that which folder here, guys? There is a cs folder is there. That cs folder can be stored the how many images available into the database, that all the images it will be stored, right? So I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to executing this multiple images code, guys. You people can check here. I'm going to running this run as Java application. Yeah, image sample image retrieved successfully from the database, guys. So how many times it is going to retrieve? You people can check here, guys. It is the retrieved almost 5. Yeah, it is executed as a 5 times. Means that there is a 5 images is there, guys. That 5 images I need to store into the database. Go and check into that folder. Where is my folder? Yeah, there is. It is that folder is not able to getting up. Yeah, only it is not our folder. This is our folder, guys. Okay. So what happened? It folders. I'm going to running one more time. CS folder is there, right? CS folder dot jpg run Java application is retrieved, but it is not showing up. So Yeah, guys, I will show you to that what are the retrieved multiple retrieve images from the database. So what I did mistake here. See here, guys. I will check that images stored into that what, guys? This is the path or not. This is the folder. It is going to why it is not able to saving that images. We can confirm it, guys. So by help of what, guys? We can check to that. Do you have idea of what, guys? Debugging. How we can debug that application? How we can debug that application, guys? Store images. Yeah, I think it is that store images, insert images, and retrieve that images. So, guys, I will check to that code what I given here. Retrieve single images and retrieve multiple images. Guys, I'm going to copy it. See, this is the code I'm going to copy. Control C, come here, and this is that retrieve images, right? Control V, Control yes. If there is any error, no error. Index position plus finally. Control S, run as Java application. Yeah, that image sample image retrieved successfully from the database. Go and check. And what is that? My image path here is CS only, right? Why it is not able to store? So let's refresh it. Will be, yeah, we can check it, guys. What is the issue? Going to running one more time. Developer DB. What is my here is that images is the database name and table name given correct. Images get string. Is there is able to see the same. Yeah, sorry guys. If people can check here, there is a already it is received, but my folder name is that what, guys? My folder name here CS, right? But I'm checking in where SC. Where is my
Yes.
CS folder? This is that my CS folder, guys. See here, this is the images, guys. This is the images retrieved from that databases, guys. Actually, I'm checking into that others folder. That is that what, guys? SC folder, right? This is the CS folder, guys. You people can go and check to that path of folder. This is the CS is available in onto the desktop, guys. Here, this is that CS folder available onto the desktop. Okay, so this is the way we can retrieve the data from that retrieve the images from that database. So how many images available? So that images I'm going to retrieve it. But this is that multiple images. But I don't want to retrieve to that all the images, guys. I need to retrieve to that what, guys? Only one images, right? So what should I to do here? I'm going to give into that folder name as a SC, guys. SC folder I'm going to give in, and see here, guys. What is that? My index position, which image I'm going to retrieve here? I'm going to retrieve to that one images only, guys. You can go and check into that. There is a what, guys? Folder. SC folder is there. You can check. SC folder is it having any images, guys? Here, no images, right? So I'm going to retrieving that images only one, right? I'm going to running this application. Yeah, if people can check here, guys. Image sample image received successfully from the database, guys. Go and check. There is a folder name as a SC. Go and check. See here, guys. Sample image came here, right? So this is the way we can retrieve to that word, guys. set a string as a name, image name. Yeah, this is the way we can retrieve the images, guys. Okay, so I already updated this code also in our website, guys. You can go and you can try it, guys. Right? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So what is that next concept is there, guys? That next concept is that I think only one concept it has been left, that is transaction management, guys. Right? Transaction management. So what is transaction management? And that transaction management, are you that before that JDBC we can discuss to that what is transaction management, and this is the transaction management in real time, how we can use it, and as a programmatically how we can use it. So what is that where we can where exactly we can see to the transaction management? I thought you already know that what is transaction. Can you did you heard that word as a transaction, guys? What is transaction? Can you tell me what you know?
No, sir.
You don't know anything? Transaction?
No.
No. Okay, do you have account? Bank account?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you doing any transaction? Means debited that amount from that your account, credited account from that your account. Are you doing these things?
Yes.
Every day are you doing or only monthly once?
Monthly
Monthly?
twice.
Monthly twice, thrice, that's
Two
all.
times. Yes.
You are not doing any transaction through phone pay, google pay, daily
Through
ways.
phone pay, yes.
Daily ways, that is that called as a transaction, guys. Okay, what is the
Okay.
transaction? Yeah, what is transaction management? We can see to that what, guys, as a exactly, and how we can implement as a transaction management into that as a practically we can see by using JDBC application, guys. But today we can understand what is transaction, how it is that happen in what, guys, our transaction on our account, right? So there is a what are the rules is there, that rule, based on that rule we can do that everyday transaction, guys. So based on that we can discuss and we can what are the key points of the transaction management, and what are the real time scenario we can use to the transaction management, really it is that important or not, we can discuss, guys. Actually transaction management is that very 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 important concept, guys. That advanced level also it is important, and basic levels also it is important. If you understand to that advanced level, then you should be what, guys, aware of that what is transaction. So if you know to the transaction, so the transaction it will be happen between two accounts, guys. If you have created debited that account, or you are that fund transfer is that one of the operations, right, guys? Transfer is that one of the operation, it will be happen between two accounts, guys. That is what, guys, transfer senders and receivers. So that receivers and sender is that what, guys, uh, two operate only one transaction is there, and two operations is there, guys. How many operations and how many transaction, I will let you know to that was a one of the example, guys. We can go to that what we have to call as a paint, guys. I will go to that paint and I will explain you, guys, right, what is transaction. See here, guys, he is that one of the user. He is that one of the user, and his name we can consider as a user, right? He is that a user, and he is that what, guys, B user, right? So a user and B user. User A and user B, guys, right? See here, guys, before what guys, this is that user A and user B, guys, come into that our website transaction management. What is the transaction management? You can read that definition, guys, here. What is the transaction management? You can read to that definition. See here, guys, that definition is that you can read it, the process of combining all related operation as a single unit executing on the rule. See here, guys, the process of combining all related operation as a single unit executing on the rule, either what, guys, all or none, is called as a transaction management, guys. The process of combining all related operation as a single unit, or what, guys, executing on the rules. That rule is that that operation, that what, guys, that operation should be what, guys, done, means all operation we need to do, there is a rules is there, guys, that is that the rule is that all or none. It will be either is that all or none. See, guys, I will explain you to that as a one of the example. And that transaction, what is transaction? You people can read it, guys. A transaction is a single unit of work and it will work on that rule. What are the rule is there, guys? All or none is that rule, guys, right? So either all or none. You people can check here, guys. Fund transfer we can take as a fund transfer is that one of the example is there, guys. That is the reason I taken as a one of the what, guys, diagrammatically A user and B user, guys. So here is that A user having to that, you people can come here, and A user having to that some account number. Every user can have to that account number, right, guys? So that A user having to that account number as a, we can consider what, guys, some number, right? So I'm going to considering as a number as a what, guys. Here is that what, some number what, 253 and some XX number, guys, right? And it is end with or else we can do that some end with what, guys, 123 as a, this is the transaction end with this number, guys, right? This is that user A user having this transaction number and it is end with 456. Same as like B user also having to that account number, but both user having to that same account or do different account, guys. Every user having to that different account number, right? So I'm going to give in as a 789, guys. That A user having to that what, guys, that is ending with that 456 having to that account number, and B user having to that account number that is end with what, guys, 789. See here, guys, this account having to that some amount, right? A user having to that what, guys, we can consider a user having to that what, guys, 50,000 rupees having in this account, right? So that there is a what, guys, B user having to that what, guys, there is a only 10,000 available into that account, guys, right? We can assume like this. So you people can check here, guys. You people can check as per our definition what it is going to say into that as a definition. You people can check that process of combining all related operation as a single unit executing on the rule either all or none is called the transaction management. This is that definition, guys. So that coming to that transaction, a transaction is a single unit of work and it will work on to the on the rules either all or none, guys. Right? So I'm going to taking what, guys? Debit that funds or debit amount from that one account and credited funds from to that one account, guys. So what should I to do here, guys? I'm going to debit that amount from to that A user and that amount credited to that B user, guys. So based on that, we can talk what that next step it is going to happen and where that in real time scenario we can see. See here, guys, that every day we can see to that debit that amount and credit that amount. This is that situation. This is the things is happen in real time or not, guys. For to that every users who are having to that bank accounts, that bank accounts people can do to that transaction, debit that amount, credit that amount. It is happened or not, guys? Everyone.
It happens, sir.
Yeah. So come here, guys, and we can check that a user need to transfer that amount as a 5,000, guys. I need to transfer a user transfer the 5,000 amount to what, guys? B user. A user transferred that a user transferred amount as a 5,000 to what, guys? B user, right? You can check here, guys, and you can tell me now. Yeah, see, a user transfer amount as a 5,000 to B user. So that what is that initial amount of that A user, guys? What is the initial amount of that A user?
50,000.
50,000. What is the initial amount of that B user?
10,000.
10,000. You people can check here, guys. A user transferred as a 5,000. Then what it will be what we can call as a user we can call as a what, guys? Sender. A user we can call as a sender, right, guys? Senders. And B user we can call as a what, guys? Tell me.
Receiver.
Receivers. B user we can call as a receivers, right? So you people can check here, guys, that A sender transferring that 5,000 and B user receiver that 5,000, guys. Then what is the A user amount now, guys? He's transferred that amount. He's transferred means it is called as a what, guys? There is a operation. What are the operation is there? That operation is that what, guys? Debit operation. Debit operation. What are the operation it is happened, guys, from that A user? Debit operations. See that operation we can call as a there is a operation, guys. Transaction is that different and operations is that a different, guys. You people can check here, guys. What are the operation? How many operations? You people can check. This is the debit is that one of the operation. You can consider as a debit is that one of the operation and that debited from that which account, guys? Which user? Your user it's happened, right, guys? This is that one operation we can consider as a, this is that one operation for happen to that A user and it is that amount is the debiting from to that A user. Then what is the after debiting that 5,000, then what is the amount available into that A user here, guys?
45,000.
Yeah, it is that
45,000.
45,000 it will be available into that A user, guys, right? A user what, guys? A user having to that 45,000 now. So after receiving to that what, guys? B user we can call as a what, guys? Receiver. So that there is a operation. Which operation it will be do, guys? There is a debit operation is there and one more operation. What is that operation? Type of operation what, guys? Which operation?
Credit.
credit operation, right? So there is a credit operation, it will be happen to that which are user guys? User. B means receiver. Receiver users happen to that credit operation, and a user, sender user happen to that operation as a debit user guys. Now tell me guys, how many operations has happened here? Debit user from to that A user and credit user, credit operation from to that B user. How many operations is happened? One or two? Debit is that one operation guys, and credit is that one operation. How many operations has done here?
Two operations.
Two operation has completed. Once that receiver credit that amount, then what is the B user available amount guys now?
15,000.
Yeah, B user amount is that 15,000. 10,000 plus 5,000 is what guys? 15,000 it will be do. So you people can check here guys. There is a two users is there. Two user. How many users is there? Receiver. What is transfer means sender. Sender is that one user and receiver is that one user. There is a two operation, it will be happen. What are the operation is there guys? Debit operations is there. Debit operations is there. And what are the next operation guys? Credit operation is there. That we can call as a what guys? Bunch of operation. There is a more than one operation is there, then we can call as a sequence of operation or group of operation or a bunch of operation we can call guys. So that see that you can check here guys. So you can check that definition. What is the definition? It is going to telling the process of combining all related operation. All related operation means how many related operation is there guys? Two related operations is there. That is debit is that one operation and credit is that one operation. That both operation combining, and that is operation as a what guys? Single unit we can call. Single unit executing on that. What are the rules is there guys? Either all or none. That you people can check here guys. There is a debit operations is there and credit operation is there, but both operation we can call as a single unit guys. What we have to call it? Both operation we can call as a single unit. Single unit guys. You are getting or not guys here? That a group of operation or a what guys? Bunch of operation or what guys? All the combination of that operation comes under as a single unit. That is that single unit we can call as a one transaction guys. Group of operation, it comes under as a single unit. That is we can call as a one transaction. How many transaction it's happened guys between that A user and B user? Only one transaction is there. But how many operations is there? Two operation is there guys. Debit operation is there and credit operation is there guys. That both debit and credit operation we can call as a single unit. That single unit we can what guys? What we have to call? What we have to call it as a single unit? Transaction. Only one transaction. Yeah. How many transaction happened between the two user? Only one transaction. How many operation has done by to that both user? Means two operation has completed. Yes or no guys? This is that one of the real time example we can see in our daily life guys. Yes or no? When we are going to that what guys, any shops or malls, at that moment after buying that any product, we should be pay that amount. If we don't have to that any cash, then what we have to do guys? We can do that online transaction. What is that? Google Pay or Phone Pay guys. So that Google Pay or Phone Pay, that is that what guys? Receivers is there and what guys, senders is there. Means debitors, that receivers can what guys, sender we can call as a debit that operation, and receiver can have to that credit that operation. Both operation we can call as a single unit. That single unit we can call as a one transaction, guys. This is that what guys, transaction management. Guys, you are getting that clarity or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? Yeah. So you people can read it, guys. I'm going to give into that what is transaction. I'm given to that very simple definition for the transaction. Transaction. A transaction is a single unit of work, and it will work on the rule either all operate, all or none. Means you people can check what is that all and what are the none, guys. This is that you people can may get that confusion, guys. This is that very what guys, important. This is the terms are you should be understand, guys, what is all or what is none. Guys, there is a transaction, what it will be happen, guys. One transaction means sender, when sender that send the amount as a 5,000, that after debit that amount is that user can get debited amount from so and so account successfully. That is that what, guys, that is that what message it will be come to that a user or not from that bank application, guys. That message it will be come or not?
It will come.
It will become. And same time that what, guys, receiver account means that a user b, that user b can receive that what, guys, he will be get to that one of the message कुछ मैं फर्क कॉल करूँ उसको मुझे. Yeah, user b, it will be get that one of the message, that is what, guys, user b received that what credited amount as a 5,000. That message it will be get from to that what, guys, bank application or not? This is that message getting to that user a and user b, but internally there is a operation it will be happen. There is a operation it will be happen. That operation what, that guys, in a one more example is there, guys. One more example is there. So you are there is a, in outside there is a ATM machine is there, right, guys? ATM machine. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, ATM machine, you are that user can withdraw the amount from to that ATM machine, right, guys? So that ATM machine, what it will be do, when you are going to withdraw that money, when you are going to withdraw the money, you people can check here, guys. This is that you can consider as a ATM machine, guys. We can consider as a ATM machine. That ATM machine you can check here, guys. This is that ATM machine, right, guys? So when you are going to withdraw that money from to that ATM machine, so first of all, what are the, what it will be asked, guys, what we have to do that operations, can you tell me what we have to do? First of all, we can do that insert that card, guys. Insert the card, ATM card. Yes or no, guys? After that, guys, what it will be asked next after inserting the card?
Code.
Sorry, code. It will directly, it will be asked code. It will be asked to select that language. Select that language. We should be select. There is a languages. It will be there, guys. Telugu is there, Hindi and English is there. Which language you are comfortable? That language we should be select here, right? So I'm going to select into that word, guys. English language. English language we can select. After that, what we have to do, guys? After that, what it will be asked? It will be show to that some word, guys. Operation it will be show, are you Are you inquiry minimum mini statement you are checking, or balance checking, or you are withdrawal that money, or you are the transfer the money? There is a operation, it will be show onto that screen or not, guys? It will be show to that operation. So we can select to that withdrawal the money, guys. Withdrawal that money. So after selecting to that withdrawal operation, operation, once it is selected, then it will be asked, guys, how many, what is that amount you are going to withdraw, how much money you want to withdraw. So I need to enter to that money, guys. I need to enter to that money as a 5,000, guys. From my account, I'm going to withdraw that amount as a 5,000. There is a option also is there, guys. Fast cash also option. It will be available as a 5,000, 2,000, or 10,000. There is a fast cash option also. It will be there. Or customize operation, customize option also is there. If we select as a customize, then how much amount we have to require, then we can enter in that, guys. So once that selecting to that as if entering to that money as a 5,000, then what we have to do, guys? There is a what it will be asked next option.
Password.
No password. There is a what, guys? It will be select what type of account yours. You are belongs to that saving account, or you are belongs to that what, guys? Current account. It will be asked or not, guys. This is the things is happen in that ATM machine or not.
So we don't have same process.
Yeah, every ATM machine is that not same process. Based on that banking, there is a operation, that what, guys, showing to that screen as different. But some banking, that SBI, if I go to that SBI bank, then this is that operation, it will be show, guys, right? So we should be select as a what, guys, saving account option we need to select. After that, it will be ask what, guys, what it will be asked, pin number it will be asked, guys. Our password it will be asked, yes or no, guys? Pin number it will be asked or not? There is a 4-digit number is there, right? So yeah, we need to give to that phone number, 4-digit number we need to give, guys. So after that, then it will be checked, it will be internally, it will be checked when we are going to enter into that pin number as a correctly. At that moment, what, guys, at that moment it will be checked internally that 5,000 amount available or not in your account. It will be checked, right, guys? Internally some operation it will be happen. What operation it will be there, guys? What operation it will be? Withdrawal operation. There is a operation is that withdrawal operation, it is happened in my account. So that what, guys, I'm going to withdraw to that 5,000. That 5,000, that internally it will be checked. The some logic we need to write into that what, guys, internally, right? There is a business logic, it will be checked that 5,000 so and so account. When I'm going to type swiping my card, that swiping that card, that based on that swiping card details, it will be checked into that my database, right, guys? In my account there is a 5,000 is there or not, it will be checked. So if my account having to that what, guys, sufficient balance, and then that amount it will be withdrawal. If it is doesn't have to that what, guys, insufficient balance in my account, then that what, guys, it will be throw that exception. What type of exception it will be throw? Insufficient balance in your account, something that error it will be show onto that screen or not, guys? Yeah. So you people can check here, guys. You people can check that your after completion, if it is there is a two scenarios, two things is there, guys. If my account has to that what, guys, sufficient balance, then there is a one message it will become. What is that? Withdrawal successfully completed. Yes or no, guys? If my account doesn't have to that sufficient balance, then one more what guys, that is same, there is a error related types, it will be through that exception. What is that? Insufficient balance in your account. There is a happen to that, how many things is that happen guys? You people can check. This is that one step. How many steps is happened? This is that first step. You people can check here guys. I'm going to step one, and this is that insert that card is that one step. And next step, what is the next step guys? Second step is that select languages. Step 2 we can call as a step 2 guys. And what is the third step is there guys? We need to select withdraw that money, withdrawal or transfer, and what guys, mini statement or balance inquiry. There is a option, it will be checked. So there is a step 3 guys. Step 3. And what is that fifth step is, fourth step is there guys? Fourth step, it will be show to that as a fast withdrawal, like you require to that as a 2000, 5000, or 10,000, or customize. We should be select as a anything, or customize we can check, we can select, right? I'm going to check typing as a selecting as a customize. So that is the reason I'm going to entering as a 5000. So after that, we need to select what guys, after completion of that five, after entering to that 5000, immediately what guys, after entering to that enter button, then it will become as a what guys, what type of account yours. So my account, I need to check, I need to select which type of account belongs. So I'm going to belongs to what type of account guys? Saving account or current account, we should be select. So I have a what guys, saving account. Then that one more step is there guys. Step 5. And after that what guys, there is a step 6. What is that? So step 6, step 6 is that what guys, it will be asked to that what guys, pin number. There is no what guys, show to that thumb, what we have to call, we should be give that pin number only, but we no need to show to that our password as a what guys, thumb or face. We are not able, that technology is not available into that ATM machine now. So it will become soon guys. But presently we are going to using what guys, only pin numbers only, right? So after completion of that sixth step, there, if it is that having to that 5000, then it will become as a what guys, seventh step, it will be through what guys, getting to that if it is having to the 5000, then withdraw that money. And that what guys, step is that 7 message, it will become onto that screen, same as like our mobile also. What is that? Withdrawal amount successfully, that message, it will become or not guys? Yeah, amount successfully. This is that failure scenario or success scenario guys? This is that message, success, right? So guys, if
Yes.
if there is doesn't have to that 5000 in my account, then what is the message, it will become? Insufficient balance in our account, in your account, it will be throw. Yes or no guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can carefully concentrate here guys. That seventh step, there is a two message. Either withdrawal, if that amount sufficient balance is there, that withdrawal amount successfully, it will become. Either there is no 5000 available in my account, then there is a error message, it will become guys. What is that message? Amount in your account. See which one is that? I'm going to copy it, Control X. and come here guys, Control V, and you can check here guys, which step is that what guys, we can confirm which step, that step is that one, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7. So if I want that there is a amount is there, there is a I need to confirm as a which step I need to confirm guys, step 1 it will be confirmed or step 7 it will be confirmed, which step I confirmed, there is a amount is there, what guys, sufficient balance is there or not, which step I need to confirm, step 1 or step 2 or 3 or 4 or last step, means step 7 is going to identify my account has to that what guys, sufficient balance or not, that it will be identified to that step where guys, step 7 only. See here guys, that what, there is a insufficient amount or withdrawal amount successfully, that step is identified as a 7 only. But see here guys, there is a how many operation it is happened, how many operation happened to that between 1 to 7 guys, how many operation is happened, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, 1 2 3 4 5, right guys, 5 operations. See guys, this is that we can now tell me how many operation is there and how many transaction is there guys, can you tell me now, how many,
So the operation is one, right?
sorry, how many transaction is there and how many operations is there guys, internally how many operation has done inside that ATM machine guys, total it is taken as a 7 operation, but my that what guys, that confirmed operation step as a 7 guys, that step 7 it will be identified that amount has been our that sufficient amount is there or not, it will be identifying where guys, step 7. And see here guys, see here that operation it will be happened 7 step, 7 operation it will be done, and how many transaction is there guys, how many transaction is there, only one transaction, only one transaction is there guys, guys you are getting or not, it is,
I'm getting, sir.
you are getting right clearly. So this is that operations, and this is that all operation comes under as a single transaction, right? So this is that it is not able to, it will be checked actually if in your account it doesn't have to that any what guys, sufficient balance, but you are trying to that withdraw that amount, so that insufficient balance that way, which step you can get guys, step 1 is possible, when you are going to insert in that card, there is no sufficient balance, it will be show as a step 1, or it will be asked to that all the steps guys, all the steps it will be asked, and that finally that step 7 it will be show there is no insufficient balance in your account, there is a one word guys, error message it will be come, right guys, but if we know I don't have to that word guys, sufficient balance, but if we are going to trying, it's not able to showing as a step 1 or step 2, step 3, it is not able to show that insufficient balance, right guys, but it will be show to that word guys, that step number 7 right. So that step number 7 we can identify, yeah, I doesn't have to that sufficient balance, because of this is that operation, that operation should be complete one by one, guys. Otherwise it's not able to take to the directly. Yeah, it is doesn't show to that what, guys, step 7. What is that with doesn't have the insufficient balance, or you have a that sufficient balance. That message is not able to show to that what, guys, step 1 it's not able to show, step 2 is not able to show. Means this is that operation, this is that mandatory steps we need to follow, guys. Same as like if you want to require to that one transaction from to that A user and B user, there is some operation it will be happened. What are the operation is there? Here that step is nothing but this is that's operation, guys. Debit operation is that one thing, one step, and what, guys, uh credit operation is that one step. This is that debit operation and credit operation comes under as a one transaction, guys. That is that we can call as a transaction management. Guys, getting or not, it is clearly?
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, come to that our website. There is a one. This is that debit and credit is that one of the example, guys. This is that very clearly I'm going to explain. And you should be, if you are not able to go to that bank, then you can go and check it. Right? Then you can confirm, oh, this is the things is happening into that real time, right? Then you can understand it, right? So you people can check here, guys, what after completion of the transaction, all the operation, guys, means all the steps, all operations should be performed as a single unit only. If the amount is debited from that sender's account successfully and that receiver account credit, guys, some scenario, what, guys, some scenario, this is the failure scenario I'm going to talking now. So in some scenario we are going to facing to that word, guys, issues. What we are going to facing that issues, we are going to transferring that some amount to that some of account, guys. So what happened, that sender account debited that amount as a 5,000 or 10,000. How much we are going to debited those money as a debited from to the sender user. But that what, guys, credit user means receiver user, it's not able to credited that amount, guys, right? So that scenario is in real time it's happened or not, guys? In sometimes also we can see into that word, guys, in phone pay, google, yeah, phone pay or google pay also we can transfer that money. We can transfer that, we can by using scanner or phone pay phone number, by help of those we can do this transaction. Then that amount it will be debited from our account, but that receiver is not able to show to that word, guys, credited, right? So those people will be asked, I'm not able to receive that amount, you should be stay here, I will check again, they will confirm yes or no, guys. So that is the things is happen. What is going to say, you people can check here, guys. All the operations should be performed as a single unit only, and if that amount is debited from that sender's account successfully and that receiver's account credited fails, right, guys, then there may be what, guys, inconsistency problem, it will be occur, guys. There is a problem is there where it is my actually I'm going to transferring as a 5,000 but debited from my account, but that receiver not able to receive that 5,000 amount, guys. Then is not received from my account is also debited, but where is my account, my money is that where exactly, right, guys? So there is a inconsistency problem is there, guys. So inconsistency problem we can what, guys, there is a some key points we need to follow based on that, how that what, guys, after we need to go to that, there is a immediately that what, guys, debited user go to that bank and he will complain yes or no, guys. This is that real time scenario, it will be happened or not, guys? I'm debited 5,000 rupees, but he's not received. He's not received. So what happened? Can you confirm it? This amount based on that we can give that complaint or not, guys, for to that bank users, right? So this is that we can call as a transaction management, guys. there is a one more example, guys. There is a multiple examples is there, guys. Book my show is that one of the example. What is that book my show, guys? You people can check first of all, verify to that status, select the tickets. If I want to sell what, guys, we need to check, we need to select as a book my show. We need to go to that movies, guys. We need to what, guys, ticket booking through that book my show website. So first of all, we can confirm, verify that status, and we can select that how many tickets we need to require. After selecting, then after selecting to that tickets, then we need to do the what, guys, payments. After completion of that payment, we should be issues that tickets or not, guys. We should be issued or it will be, it is also go through that what, guys, not able to confirm that issues, it will be get or not, guys, in real time. See here, I will show you as a practically. I'm going to book my show website, guys. Book, book my show. Yeah, this is that website, guys. So book my show. I'm going to opening to that book my show website. Open this, and there is a word, guys. We can check to that any. Yeah, we can select to that location, guys. I'm going to select into that as a Hyderabad, right? And what are the movies is there, guys? Yeah, I'm going to selecting, yeah, anything. I'm going to selecting this one, guys. Once it is selecting, it will be what, guys? There is a book tickets. Yes.
Yeah, no, it's normal. First, I wasn't able to see it.
Yeah, it is visible, right? Yeah. So see here, guys. I'm going to coming back again. I'm going to coming back again, guys, from scratch. See, I'm going to open into that book my show website, guys. Book my show website. I'm going to opening, and it will be asked to that as a location, guys. It will be asked as a location. Where? See, yeah, already I'm going to select in that location as a Hyderabad. I'm selecting to that what, guys. This movie I'm going to selecting, and you people can check here, guys. This is the movie is there, and we need to select what is that Telugu movie, Hindi or Kannada. This is that language is available. I'm going to select into that Telugu, and it will be show, right, guys. Where is that location? It will be asked as a location also. You people can check here, guys. I'm going to selecting as a Telugu movie, and yeah, browse by cinema, and yeah, I'm going to click onto that cinema in Hyderabad, and there is a, we need to select as a location, guys. We should be select as a location. I'm going to selecting as a Amirpet, guys. So that there is a Amirpet is that I'm going to selecting location as a Amirpet, and it will be select what is the timings we need to select, guys, which time we need to go, right? So I'm selecting as a timings and date. Yeah, there is a date also is there, guys. That date also is there, and there is a date we should be select here. After that, how many tickets available into that we need to check where it is, price, money, details, cinema hall is there. Check today, why it is not happening. Go back, movie streams, last is not able to hit it, guys. I will come as a back, book my show. Click on book my show website, and it will be asked to that location. It is not able to ask in location. Movies I'm selecting, and movies in Hyderabad, Telugu I'm going to selecting here, and I'm going to selecting as a this movie, and see here, guys, I'm going to selecting as a Telugu, and it will be show book tickets. Once click onto that book, see I'm going to selecting as a 3D, and it will be what guys, this is that operation, it is happen to that internally operations guys. So I'm going to selecting to the time, I'm going to selecting to the time guys here. See, this is the time is that is what guys, disabled because of time was completed, 7:05 time was completed, right guys. So there is a time is available as a 10:30, 10:30 p.m. So I'm going to click onto that. See here guys, there is a, you will be retrieve that what guys, tickets, how many tickets I need to required. See here guys, I'm going to selecting as a 4 tickets, and select seats, I'm selecting as a 4 tickets. Based on that, it is going to calculated guys, it will be checked, there is a what guys, this is that location, it is going to which one is that available, it is showing as a what guys, green. Which one is already selected, means booked, that is that not able to visible guys, right. I'm going to selecting as a 4 to 10 guys, it is automatically taken, right guys. Based on that, see here guys, after complete, after selecting these things, then there is a what guys, checkout option, it will become payment option, it will become guys, how many operations it's happened, you people can check here guys. As per our website, you people can check as per our see, verify that status, select the tickets, payment, this is the payment operation we need to do. But here is that not, I'm not unable to identify, because of it will be as a, yeah, not here. Yeah, see here guys, there is a payment we need to do as a payment guys. Once click on to that payment, it will be, see guys, this is that instruction, the terms and condition it is given. Once that accept, see here guys, maybe there is a check box is available, yeah, it will be hit to that what guys, payment operations, what if I have to require to that these things, then we can select guys. Otherwise we don't want to select it. There is a what guys, total rs 1451, we need to select to that what guys, proceed. This is that payment operation guys. Now it will be open to that payment gateway. What are the, there is a payment gateway, we need to throw do the payment through that account, means cards, or phone pay, or rather pay. There is a multiple payment operation and multiple option it will be show guys. So this is that operations, this is that things is comes under what guys, operations, right guys. That is all those things comes under as a operation. Once my payment is completed, then the transaction what guys, ticket which will be issued, right. That is that one transaction it will be happen guys, right. In real time scenario also we can see, this is the things comes under what guys, transaction management only guys, getting or not it is. See here, once that payment is completed, issues the ticket, issue the tickets, guys, right? So that you people can read it, guys. All the operations should be performed as a single unit only if that amount is debited from that sender's account successfully, and yeah, amount is successfully completed, but the ticket is not issued, guys. There is a problem, is there or not? We need to confirm it with that what, guys? There may be what we have to call support team is there, support team also is there guys. If it is not able to get issued that tickets, then immediately we can touch with that ticket what guys, support team, then he will resolve our issues guys, right. So this is that this is the way we can see as a real time, as a real time transaction management guys. So if I want to do that this transaction management, there is a some key points is there guys. What are the key points, you people can check here guys. Transaction is nothing but a sequence of operation performed as a single logical unit of work. Transaction must be what guys, this is that operation, this is the key points we should be followed. Atomic, consistent, and isolated, and a durability. Durable means we should be followed as a acid properties. We can call as a acid properties guys. What is that ACID? Atomic, C for what guys? Consistent, and I for isolated, D for durability guys. Durable, right? So we can read it, guys. What is atomic, what is consistent, what is isolated, and what is durable. So this is the key points. Based on these key points, the transaction it will be happened, guys. See here, guys, what is that atomic, what is consistency, what is isolated. We can go through that step by step, and that one of the example we can completed what, guys, tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you getting to that word, guys. What is the transaction management? You have a little bit idea, right, guys? Now,
Yes.
yeah. So, guys, tomorrow we can go through the what, guys. This is the key points, and we can develop to the one of the application, guys. Okay. This is that important, guys. This is that understanding is that important, and implementation in real time. In real time, also this is that banking. If we go to that as a banking domain, this is that things, there is a transaction management we should be followed, guys. That interview question also it will be asked, what is transaction management, what is transaction, what is asset properties. They will ask multiple questions on this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys, thank you so much. We will see tomorrow.